Hi everyone, in this video we going to look about blockchain Hyperledger Fabric and how to build our first network and pre-require for the first network. Here first we need to install Go language. So we download Go language. Once it's downloaded, download file in tar file format compressed file. We need to extract that file. We need to wait until the file extracts completely. Then we need to export that Go path. Once that Go path exported properly. Second, we need to install Docker. Before start installing Docker, we need to update our instance. We need to wait for few seconds. Once instance updated, then we need to check system package like app transport HTTPS, CA certificates, curl, software properties common, are up to date. Then, we import Docker curl file. Followed by, we need to import Docker fingerprint. Once Docker fingerprint imported properly, then we need to add Docker repository. Once Docker repository added, then once again update instance. Make sure all dependency is added. Then need to start to install Docker. Once Docker installed, we can cross-check by running hello Docker. Then Docker will run and print hello Docker. Once Docker run and print hello Docker, then we start to install Docker Composer by add Docker Composer curl. Then change Docker Composer mode. Then we need to start to install node.js. For that, we need to add node curl. Then we need to install node by apt-get repository. Once node installed, then we need to clone Fabric sample. Wait until project clone. Once project cloned successfully, then move to Fabric project folder. Then place curl for download SSL certificate. On place curl, it will clone all Hyperledger Docker images. It will take few seconds to clone all depends on Docker images. Once all Docker images cloned, then move into first network folder. Then give run byfn script file with command as generate. Then it will ask permission to proceed as yes or no. Once you give yes, then will generate certificate, ordered block, channel configuration translation to anchor peers. Then you need to run byfn script file with command as up. Then it will ask proceed permission as yes or no. Once you give yes, then it will start download peers, create channels, all peer, join into channels. Anchor peer will update each org. Then chain code will install. Then, it will instantiate all chain code. It will take some take. Once it's done, then it will query. The query will take much time. Query attempted will take 3 seconds. Query chain code peer 0. Then query chain code peer 1. And check chain code data are placed correctly. Once chain code will installed, and it will instantiated chain code. It will successfully query chain code peer 0 and query chain code peer 1. Then it finally all good, BYF at execution completed. Then it will show an message. Command what we use place in GitHub. In the description, you can find that GitHub link. Thank you for watching this video. Follow our channel for more video. Subscribe to Test on Need.